Madhya Pradesh and the growing controversy after two women Australian cricketers were molested in Indore. Two renowned Australian women cricketers were molested by a biker near their hotel. The incident took place in full public view. It raised serious questions about the state security apparatus, but also triggered a political storm after controversial statement from Madhya Pradesh Cabinet Minister Kailash Vijayvargiya, who often is in the center of controversy. So now, instead of addressing the police failure, the minister appeared to shift the blame onto the victims. Victim blaming after they were molested, calling the incident a lesson and advising players to be more mindful of their popularity. The statement has drawn outrage from opposition parties as well as women groups across the country. Meanwhile, the Indore police arrested the accused who molested the Australian players. In fact, he was arrested soon after the incident took place. But now more controversy with these statements by Kailash Vijayvargiya.
देखिए, थोड़ी बहुत तो लैप्स हुआ है इसमें, पर उसमें खिलाड़ियों का अचानक वहाँ से निकल जाना बिना किसी को बताए, अपने कोच को भी नहीं बताया उन्होंने, ये थोड़ी सी गलती हो गई है उनसे। यदि क्योंकि वहाँ उनकी सिक्योरिटी थी, वहाँ पर पर्सनल सिक्योरिटी भी थी और पुलिस की सिक्योरिटी भी थी, पर वो बात करते करते निकल गई, किसी का ध्यान नहीं रहा और ये घटना हो गई। घटना दुर्भाग्यशाली है, पर इससे अब खिलाड़ी भी सीख लेंगे। मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हम जब कोई दूसरे देश में जाएं, दूसरे शहर में जाएं, तो अपनी सुरक्षा की चिंता भी करें।
This man must resign. He is unworthy of being a minister. Ministers are those who make laws elected by the citizens to ensure our safety. If this guy had the gall to say that you must inform the local administration before you go out, the message that he's sending across is that the streets of Madhya Pradesh are not safe for women. And so India is not safe for women, which is a big lie. Because we in India have women who have accomplished and women who continue to accomplish every day in our homes and our streets, in our communities. Despite men like this one, a regressive degenerate, he must apologize and say that he will ensure safety is maintained by patrolling of the police. He will ensure that cases are registered and justice is given to people who have registered those cases.